Unsustainable palm oil plantations are causing extreme negative effects on the environment, native communities, and wildlife, in particular the orangutan species. Orangutans' existence has never before been so threatened. Palm oil plantations in Borneo are the greatest threat to orangutans in today's society. Forest fires, illegal hunting, and clear cutting are dramatically reducing the orangutan numbers to extreme low levels. They have now become critically endangered, and this is due to the unsustainable palm oil plantations that are taking over the Borneo rainforest. Palm oil is a type of vegetable oil that comes from the palm fruit tree. Palm oil is found in 1 in 10 items in the supermarket and is often not clearly labeled in order to hide the fact that the product contains palm oil. Palm oil is often labeled as vegetable oil, palm kernel, palminate, and other names. It is found in many products such as ice cream, biscuits, shampoo, instant noodles, toothpaste, pizza, margarine, soap, confectionery, and detergent. Because palm oil isn't clearly labeled, it is often hard to avoid purchasing products that contain oil that is destroying the rainforest and endangered species. However, there are now a number of companies that are deciding to use sustainable palm oil. Organizations like Green Palm have been created to support sustainable palm oil plantations, and they are urging more and more companies to join forces and stop unsustainable palm oil plantations. Palm oil plantations in Borneo illegally clear-cut enormous areas of rainforests in order to make their plantations. It is very common for plantations to burn the land before they begin development. This is causing an extreme amount of orangutan deaths because their homes are being destroyed. They're being burnt to death because they cannot escape the flames. Orangutans that do escape the fires and flee to different areas are then starving to death, being killed by plantation workers, or are being illegally poached and used as pets. It is estimated that between 4,000 and 5,000 orangutans are killed each year, and in 10 to 15 years orangutans will be extinct. A study conducted by WWF showed that in Malaysia and Indonesia, between 80 to 100% of wildlife living in the tropical rainforests cannot survive in palm oil monocultures. The overall number of orangutans has reduced by 50% in the last 20 years, and this is caused by unsustainable palm oil plantations. In order to save the orangutan species, dramatic changes need to be made and unsustainable palm oil plantations need to be stopped. Certified sustainable palm oil is palm oil that has been grown on a plantation that has been certified and managed according to the principles and criteria of Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil. This means that the plantation was established on land that did not contain significant loss of wildlife habitat, biodiversity, or other environmental values. The plantation meets the highest environmental, economical, and social standards set out by the RSPO. If all plantations became sustainable, 4,000 to 5,000 orangutans could be saved each year. Millions of hectares of precious rainforest could be saved, and also the wildlife habitats. Society needs to join forces and put a stop to unsustainable palm oil plantations by only buying products that contain certified palm oil. In order to save the orangutan species, society needs to put a stop to unsustainable palm oil and support certified palm oil plantations.